Hello internet, how are you doing? Today I'm here at the village and I want to show you. In my previous video I mentioned that we were building a house for our farm workers, and this is the village, guys. I just want to show you how realistic it is to even build a small house in the village if you live in the city at a very low budget. Imagine this house here. It's not yet complete, but it has cost us less than 200,000 up to this stage. 200,000 Kenya shillings. So come with me. I just want to show you. It's a beautiful house. It's almost done. Wow. So it looks like that. This is the entrance. I'm telling you. First, let's do an So this is the outside. I like the way it stand out. Imagine. So let's go around first. There's a room here. I'll show you the inside. It's empty and it's almost done. Then right here is the behind. Then we have the toilet and the bathroom outside. House on a budget. What a beautiful day it is. And then it's in the middle of the tea plantation. My God. So this is the other side view. So let me show you how it looks like. How beautiful is Kericho in the morning, guys. Hey, Kenyan countryside, amazing. So let me show you the inside. So this is the porch, the entry. Then it has 2 rooms. Imagine this is a complete house. If you live in the city, you can make something simple like this. Look, there's this room here. Room 1. Room 2, and they're spacious, they're big enough. A simple house. The kitchenette. Imagine that it looks nice. This will be Nani's house. Very nice, eh? You have a food. It's big, eh? It's not 1 bedroom. This is a kitchen. See, I can have 2 rooms. So, and an entry porch. It looks so nice. It's a very nice, simple house, but very nice. Nasikia njaa, twende tukakule. Tell me, guys, that house, wouldn't you live in such a simple, like for you, when you come into the village, you build something like that? That's 2 rooms with a kitchenette. It's enough for you to just come in and at least have something for less than 200,000 Kenya shillings. Love it. And then I love how it's in the middle of the tea plantations, my guys. Wow. It's just like a simple, nice house. That's the view for our house in the village, my mother-in-law's house. Daughter right there, taking a stroll in the morning, going to meet the cows. What do you think, guys? What are your thoughts on the house? Let me know in the comment section. Sadly, today is our last day here in the village. We are going back to the city. Yeah, I say sadly because we really enjoy being here, but duty, work, schools, kids are opening schools this coming week. We have to go back to work. Yeah, it's been a good break. We've enjoyed ourselves. At least I've gotten to share with you, and I thank you so much. We've gotten so many new subscribers from our village videos, and I thank you. So to say thank you so much for the guys who have joined this family. Feel welcome and enjoy our videos. So we've gotten a good number of subscribers from our recent village vlogs. I just want to take this opportunity to welcome you to this page, to this family. Please feel at home and keep it right here for so many vlogs on so many different things. Otherwise, thank you so much for always being here. This is a well, a water reservoir.